Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fixed Chrome too many requests error code 429. First step is open Chrome browser, click More Tools, click Clear Browsing Data. Click Advanced tab, select All Time. Second step is open Chrome browser. Click three dots, click Settings, click Reset, and Clean Up. Click Restore settings to their original defaults. Third step is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig /release. Type ipconfig /renew. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.